morning students, welcome back. Yesterday we have learned about the latitudes and today we are going to see about the longitudes. So longitudes are the perpendicular lines that are drawn to the equator. So we have seen this is the equator and the lines which are drawn perpendicular to the equator are called as longitudes, and if you observe, these longitudes are semicircles. These longitudes are semicircles and there will be 360 longitudes. 360 longitudes, and 0 degree longitude is very important. 0 degree longitude is also called as Greenwich meridian. So these longitudes are also called as meridians. These longitudes are also called as meridians, and 0 degree longitude is called as Greenwich longitude, which passes through London. So one thing you need to observe is that these longitudes are semicircles and we have 360 longitudes. So if you see, this is a semicircle and just imagine at the back of this there will be another semicircle. So these longitudes are semicircles and there are 360 longitudes, and these are the imaginary lines that are drawn on the globe. So dear students, as yesterday we have seen, latitudes divide the earth into different heat zones as a torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. These longitudes are useful to divide the world into time zones. These longitudes divide time zones. So if you see, there is a lot of confusion in the calculation of times. The time in India at present is not equal to the time in America now. The time of every country changes. So in order to avoid this confusion, in calculating the time, we have world standard time, which is taken on the base of 0 degree longitude, which passes through London. So another very important concept regarding this time calculation is, if you just take the earth, that earth takes 24 hours for one rotation. So to make one complete rotation, so earth, earth rotates itself, and to make one complete rotation like this, the earth to make one complete rotation, it takes 24 hours. So if you see, to make a rotation of 360 degrees, one circle is equal to 360 degrees. So to make one rotation, that is to make 360 degrees, to rotate itself, it takes 24 hours. It takes 24 hours. So 360 degrees. So supposing 360 longitudes, as we have seen, to rotate all these 360 longitudes, it takes 24 hours. So the sun's rays to pass 360 longitudes, it takes 24 hours. In the sense, each longitude, the sun's rays takes 4 minutes to pass each longitude. This calculation is very important in the 10th standard in the calculation of time. So if you observe, based on this concept, one thing you should keep in mind is sun's rays takes 4 minutes to pass each longitude. So suppose to be in India, the time is now 9 a.m. What will be the time in the London at present? You can't expect the time should be the 9 a.m. now in London. In London, the time changes. You can talk to your friend in a phone in London and you can ask what is the time. So how much time he will say? That depends on the calculation of time based on longitudes. So as we have 0 degree longitude as world standard time, in India also we have a standard meridian which is called as 82.5 degrees east longitude. So as per Indian standard time, we take 82.5 degrees east longitude, and world standard time we take 0 degree longitude, and the difference is 0 to 82.5 degrees, 82.5 degrees longitude. So 82 longitudes, each longitude 4 minutes to pass, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, and half longitude, one longitude takes 4 minutes and half longitude takes 2 minutes, that is 3:30, that is 5.5 hours. So in London, the time will be 5.5 hours back to our time. So now our time is 9. The time at London will be go back 5.5 hours. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3:30. Now the time in London is 3:30. So that is based on the calculation of how many longitudes the sun's rays has to pass. The sun rises first in the east, you know that. So the sun rises first you can see in the eastern countries and later you can see in the western countries, because the earth rotates from west to east. So dear students, the longitudes are very useful for the calculation of time. So thank you very much. Please make a notes on this longitude. Have a great day. See you in the next class.